Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuzulul Ali Alkansa and I am here to from class DV25I, and I am here to explain about this graph of fast food consumed by Australian teenager from years 1975 to 2000. The y-axis shows the number of times fast food was eaten per year, while the x-axis represents the years from 1975 to 2000. As you can see, there are three variables in this graph. Pizza, shown here in the blue lines, fish and chips in the red line, while the hamburger in the green line. In 1975, fish and chips was by far the most popular fast food, with consumption at approximately 100 times per year, while pizza and hamburger, on the other hand, started very low. Hamburger is approximately around 15 times per year, while pizza hit nearly at zero. From 1975 onwards, fish and chips declined steadily and dramatically, falling from 100 to approximately 40 times per year by the year 2000. As you can see in this graph, I'm showing you once again. 1975 to 1980, fish and chips dropped from 100 to around 83, 84, 85, I think. I think it's 84, around 84. But at the same year as at 1980, they do rose again, recovered and grows again until 1985, reaching around 90s, around approximately 90 times per year, while after the year 1985 they do start to steadily and constantly decline until the year 2000. From approximately 95 at the year 1985 to around 40 times per year by the year of 2000. This represents a significant drop over the 25 years period. In contrast, both pizza and hamburgers rose considerably throughout this period. Hamburger consumption soared rapidly from 1975 until 1985. I think 1985 is their turning point to rose up more, since in 1985, since 1975 they only have 15 they are considered 15 times per year. They rose to around 84 or 85 at the years 1985, and then they rose steadily again from 1975 to 1985. They rose dramatically, and after 1985 they steadily grow from 85 serving to 100 times per year at the year 1995, and still constantly being consumed at 100 times per year by the year 2000. Meanwhile, pizza grew gradually but steadily, reaching approximately 85 times per year by the year 2000. As you can see in this graph I'm showing you again, just as a good reminder, 1975, they grow very steadily throughout the year, not dramatically like the hamburger, and they grow very steadily, very constantly to like reaching at 1995, like 85 and 85. 1975, they're like serving almost like nearly zero, but they do grow considerably quite fast too, but still it's more steady than the hamburger. Like they peak at 1995 at around like 85 times per year being consumed, and constantly being consumed at that exact time, I think. Not that I think, but I assume 85 times. But shown in the paragraph, it does looks like they do being constantly consumed 85 times per year from the year 1995 to the year 2000. So the most notable point in that around 1985 to 1990, a clear crossover occurred. Hamburger overtook fish and chips to become the dominant fast food, while pizza continued to rise and also surpassed fish and chips shortly after. In conclusion, the graph shows like a dramatic shift in fast food preference among Australian teenagers over the 25 years. Fish and chips experienced a sharp and constant decline, while hamburger and pizza grew significantly, with hamburger emerging as the most popular by the year 2000. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening to my explanation. I'm sorry I'm not like focused in this line of case because I do need to read what I wrote because I often forgot about it. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.